Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We will bake today a very easy and delicious dessert called Semolina yogurt cake. Here is what we need. 3 eggs, 100 gram sugar, 3.5 deciliter plain yogurt, 120 mg oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, 167 gram semolina, 1 vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 grated lemon peel. For topping, we will need 180 mg water, 150 gram sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice, whipped cream which is optional, and some fresh fruit which is also optional. Before we start, please don't forget to like. If you are interested, you can find some useful kitchen equipment links in the description below. As a first step, we need to prepare the sugar syrup because it needs to be cold when we put it on the cake. Now we turn on the stove. Then pour water to the pot, add sugar and stir it until the sugar dissolves. Bring it to boil on high temperature. Let it boil for 1 minute. Then remove from the heat and stir in the lemon juice. We can set aside and wait until it cools down properly. In the meantime, turn on the oven for 177 Celsius. Take a bowl, then add the eggs, sugar and vanilla sugar to it. Then stir it with a mixer until the sugar dissolves approximately for 3 minutes. We don't need to over-mix it, that's why we change the mixer to a whisk. Now stir in the yogurt and add the other ingredients after one another. First add semolina and flour. Mix it properly. We need to make sure it is not knotty. Now you can stir in salt, lemon peel, baking soda and baking powder. We add oil bit by bit. I prefer to bake with a baking paper, but it's up to you. However, if you don't use it, make sure you rub your baking tray with oil or butter. Put the dough to the tray and put it in the pre-warmed oven for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, we need to check the middle of the cake. It shouldn't be soft. We don't need to over-bake it, only until it's light brown. We pour the cold sugar syrup over the hot cake. It must reach all the area of the cake. Don't worry about if too many of the syrup falls down on the side of the sweets, it will absorb and keeps our delicious dessert moisturized at least for 3 days. This was my semolina yogurt cake. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really love to read a comment on this recipe. I will be waiting. Thank you for watching and bon appetit!